This is a drone video update of the US 160 US 550 connection project to replace a stoplight and steep climb at Farmington Hill in southeastern Durango, Colorado, with a series of bridges, ramps, and roundabouts, as well as making several miles of US 550 4 lanes south of the connection. This update is as of December 6, 2023. I've noticed a lot of work activity since then. I previously have made drone video of the project in June and September of 2023. The links to those videos are in the description to this one. First, we are going to look at the 4-lane road at the top of the hill and extending south. We are going south following the top of the hill and then looking south where a lot of work has been completed to make the road 4 lanes. Turning north, we can see where the road from the climb up Farmington Hill currently connects to the new road at about County Road 220. There will also be a frontage road to connect businesses and residents when the Farmington Hill Road is no longer in use. Going north and looking south, we can see where the center median separated highway becomes a barrier separated highway, and the current pavement ends just south of the Gulch A Bridge. This is the view going north along the project from where the pavement ends before the Gulch A Bridge to the Gulch B Bridge and to the new traffic circle on the south side of the overpass across US 160. We can see that a lot of work still needs to be done in that area. It is in this area that I saw a lot of work activity this past week while I was gassing up my car at the Maverick on the north side of US 160. So I expect that this area is significantly different from 10 days ago when I shot this footage. We can see the footing on the north side of the US 160 overpass is paved. As is the Wilson Gulch ramp from US 160. I'm told by a person on the project that this ramp will be open by the end of December.